Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your math teacher and this is grade 5th math. In today's video, let us learn the topic Indian and International Systems of Numeration. This is chapter 1, page number 11. So let's get started. Indian and International Systems of Numeration. First, let us learn Indian system of numeration. Next, international system of numeration. So this is place value chart of Indian system of numeration. So ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. So these are the four periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, and in ones we are having ones, tens, hundred. Next in thousand, thousands, 10,000. Next in lakh, lakhs and 10 lakh. Next in crores, crores and 10 crores. So we know this is Indian system of numeration. So this is a place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Okay, so this is the place value chart of Indian system of numeration. So we are having four periods, and in that we are having ones, tens, hundred. In ones, in thousands, thousands and 10,000s. In lakhs, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Next in crores, crores and 10 crores. So in ones, 4. Let us give one example. 7, 2, 5, 8. In lakhs, 2, 10 lakhs, 6, 5 in crore place. Next 2. So okay, so if we read this, so we read 25 crore 62 lakh 85,274. So we read and we write in the same way: 25 crore 62 lakh 85,274. So 25 crore 62 lakh 85,274. Okay, so how we have written this: 25 crore 62 lakh 85,274. So I have written in words in same, so I pronounce in the same way: 25 crore 62 lakh 85,274. Okay, so in ones we are having 3 digits: ones, tens, hundred. In thousand we are having 2 digits, that is 1000 and 10,000. Next in lakhs we are having 2 digits, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores we are having 2 digits, crores and 10 crores. Okay, so in ones 3 digits, and in thousands 2 digit, and in lakhs 2 digit, and in crores 2 digit. Okay, so this is about Indian system of numeration. Now international system of numeration. Okay, so in these we are having 3 periods: ones, thousands and millions. So in these we are having 3 periods: ones, thousands and millions. So in ones we are having ones, tens, hundred, like in our Indian system of numeration. Next in thousands, so in thousands we are having 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So from here difference come. So in our Indian system of numeration we are having 1,000, 10,000 only, but here we are having 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So here millions, there we are having lakhs and crores. So here we are having millions. So million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So we are having million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. So we are having three periods: ones, thousands and millions. So in that, in ones, tens, hundred; in thousands, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Next, in million, million, 10 million, 100 million. 100 million. So let us number with this, so we will get clear idea about this topic. So 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 2, 6, 5, again 2. So how we read this? 256,285,274. Okay, so like this you have to read, and in the same way you have to write. Once again I am repeating: 256 million. So 285,000 and 274. Okay, so now I am writing this: 256 million, 285,000 274. Okay, so like this you have to write: 256,285,274. Okay, so again we are having in ones 3 digit. Ones, tens, hundred. In thousands, again 3 digit. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Next, in million, again 3 digit. Million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is about Indian and international system of numeration. I hope you understood today's concept. So in the next class, I will be doing the continuation. Thank you.